What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, helps the algorithm, helps us grow. We just hit 65,000 subscribers. We're getting closer to that 100K goal. If you guys do like barber tutorial videos, beard grooming videos, or ASMR videos, this is the channel you want to be a part of, alright? So thank you guys so much for the support. But let's get on to today's video. So as you guys can see, my beard is it's not super big, but you know, it's definitely past my jaw. It's getting bigger, it's getting longer. I'm gonna show you guys how we could take the same look beard and chisel it down and outline your features in your jaw, make it look more structured and outline your features a lot better. So the goal with today's beard is we want to keep the darkness of the beard. We don't really want to take down any length, or we're going to take some length down from the chin, but we don't want to cut this any shorter on the sides. We want to keep all this darkness, and we're just going to slowly take some length off from the bottom, outline our jaw a little bit more. All right, so that's what the goal is. I'm going to walk you guys through on how I'm going to do that. So you could go ahead and show your barbers, or if you do trim your own beard at home and these videos do help you guys out, you can go ahead and try attacking it at home, right? So if you do want to take your beard from something like this to this. So if you guys do want to see how I trimmed down my beard and got it to look like this, more chiseled, make sure to stay tuned, watch the rest of the video, right? Alright, so when it comes to trimming down the beard, you want to go ahead and make sure you're brushing through your beard before you do any type of trimming. Brush through it, detangle it, even go take a shower, let everything loosen up. But if you can, go ahead and take a shower, throw some water in there, brush it through, and kind of let it air dry, and then you'll be ready to go ahead and trim your beard, because you want it to be detangled and you don't want any knots so you don't get any unevenness in your beard. So after you brush it all out and have it all nice and clean, the next step is going to be start the trimming. Like I said, we're going to be taking our clipper, first starting with the outside of the beard, and we're going to start tapering this all down nice and flush to our face. And all you're going to do is take your clipper, rest the back of it on your face with the blade sticking a little bit out, and you're just going to go straight off your face. Just go straight off your face. If you're a little bit worried, open up the lever a little bit and do that. If not, you could go ahead and throw a number 2 guard on there, or number 3 guard, and do the same thing just to get a little bit more practice on holding the clipper. Now that we have the sides all nice and tapered down, what we're gonna do now is remove length from the beard. So right now, as you can see, mine's pretty low. My Adam's apple's right here. This is usually a good reference point. If you do want a bigger beard, go closer to your Adam's apple, but I'm gonna go 2 fingers above. So my Adam's apple right here, do about 2 fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a good amount. I'm gonna take about probably like a good inch off my beard. I'm gonna come straight back, punch that line in, and then I'm gonna bring it up to my jaw on the sides. So you just wanna feel where your jaw is at. Mine's right here. So just push into your jaw, and that's all you're gonna cut below that. So you're gonna come right under your jaw so it's nice and chiseled. Once you have one side completely done, you're gonna go ahead and match the other side with doing the same way. And just keep your head neutral. Don't look too high, don't look too low. You know, look normal and then a little bit up. And try doing your best to look as symmetrical as possible. But don't stress about it too much, because when you bring your head back down, no one's gonna see under your neck. As long as it looks good when you're looking straight, you're good. Now after that, we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the back line, go naturally with how your hair grows on both sides. And then after you're done with that, that's pretty much gonna be it with getting the bulk out of the way. If you want, you can go ahead and brush through your beard again just to get any loose hairs out. And then we're gonna start fine tuning, coming around, making it more round if you like, or you could keep it going straight, or just depending on how you like to do your beard. After that, you're gonna just remove all the bulk on the bottom. You can shave it with a razor if you like, with an electric shaver, whatever you desire. After that, go ahead and hop in the shower, get out, throw some beard oil in there, and then that's pretty much gonna be it for the beard. That's how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna show you guys the after result. And then also, just to take your beard to that next level, I'm gonna go ahead and use my beard pencil from Joseph's Signature line just to fill in these lighter spots, just to make the beard look a little bit more darker and pronounced. And this is gonna give it another dimension and look to the beard. It's gonna make it look super dark, super natural, but very chiseled to the face. Bam! And that is the after, YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is how you make your beard still look dark but nice and chiseled. As you can tell, it outlined my face a little bit. I don't look too puffy or big anymore. So this is the after. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys did stick around this far, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button. Truly appreciate your guys' support. It means a lot to me. We're growing and I appreciate it. I hope you guys get value from these videos and learn something new. Help you guys see some new styles. But if you guys are curious and you just stick around and you were wondering what kind of clipper I was using the Gamma Alpha clipper. They have these. I'll have the link down below. If you guys do want to purchase it from Gamma, you could use JJ10 and you get 10% off. Or I'll go ahead and drop the Amazon link down below so you can buy it on Amazon if you do shop there. Also, how I got my beard to look a little bit darker, but still looks pretty natural. It blends with my beard pretty well. I'm using Joseph's Signature Line's beard pencil. This is their dark brown color. Has a brush on there and the wax pencil, so brush it in and it helps, you know, define your beard a little bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys so much and stick around for more content, all right? I'll see you guys. I'm out.